reset.
Right there.
Where the weather's always
Beautiful.
Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Dirt Road Reset. My name is Chad, and we are here with Scott. You all know him. Scott, say hi to the crowd. And we got Keith and his two kids here with us on this trip. Hey, long time no talk. Thanks for joining in. Like I've said in the past few videos, I wish I could put more of these out, but real world calls, and you got to make bread other ways than YouTube videos. We are at one of Scott and I's favorite spots in northern Arizona, and on top of that, we're right in the heart of the middle of monsoon season here, and we've been getting just absolutely hammered with a lot of rain. In that footage you just saw, we were going through puddles. We know this area like the back of our hands, but going down that 2-track 4-wheel drive trail was pretty gnarly at times, but it was fun. So we're gonna do some fishing. We're gonna do some crawdad trapping. We're gonna do some catch and cook. So stay tuned and join along with us as we have a lot of fun, and hopefully you can live vicariously through us. Scott's got purple shoelaces that I'm gonna give him shit about the entire trip.
On sale.
On sale. So yeah, let's get it started.
We're gonna do us a crawfish boil tonight.
We got crawfish, so I didn't get it on camera, but we put our crawfish traps out. We're gonna do it again tomorrow. Scott got a good 20 or 25 crawdad, crayfish, mud dog, or what do you call them? Mud bugs, depending on what part of the country you're in. And he's chopping up some russets. I'm behind the mic, so nobody can hear me. So you
got some andouille sausage,
some Palaska,
Hot smoked sausage.
and some corn on the cob.
Oh, look at that goodness!
Woo-wee! I guarantee.
Nobody said you couldn't get a good crab oil in Arizona. By the way, if you are in this region, these are an invasive species. If you catch these, you're supposed to kill them or dispatch them. And the best way to do that is by eating them. Don't those look good together? We got the old Swedish torch going on here.
Ooh. That looks like cook.
What do you think, Sammy?
It's nice.
It's nice.
I was right here.
You gonna try one?
Maybe.
All right, let's do it. Come on.
Here, Sammy, come here, watch. Grab it. Twist. Oh, look at that.
Juices came out there.
There.
Yeah.
Now you do.
Can you pop this open?
It's shrimp.
Pretty close.
Guarantee.
Tail comes off.
Oh. That's the skin inside?
Here you go, Sammy.
Should I eat it?
Yep.
Yeah, eat it. It's good.
There you go, boy.
Mmm.
Good, huh?
The tail is just straight meat.
Yeah.
No, it's hot.
That's fine.
You dropped the crawfish, Scott.
Yep.
The fish aren't biting, and it looks like we got a storm rolling in, so we're gonna call it quits for a little bit. All right, so I think we got a storm coming. Well, I don't think, I know, I can feel it. Like I can feel it's drizzling now, the wind's coming, the temperatures just dropped. What I want to do is take you guys inside the Napier just to show you how weatherproof that tent is. Now, that being said, and I've said it in other videos, the Napier Truck Tents are not four-season tents. However, you've seen me in blizzards in that tent. You've seen me in rainstorms. It does fine. I take no credit if you do that and something goes awry, but it does a pretty good job for the price. My buddy Keith here, that's with us on this trip, Keith, he got a Napier. He's got the blackout version of the Napier Backroads tent, in that it lets no light in. And the material on the outside, the shell is the same, but it is thicker because it has that coating on the inside. So if you're shopping and you're in the market for a truck tent, first and foremost, make sure you get a truck tent that fits your truck bed. That's paramount. They make them in different sizes, and you got to get one that fits your bed. But you also have the option of getting one that has a blackout interior as opposed to a translucent interior like mine. And I think they make other models too. I think Napier makes one with an awning on it and stuff like that too. But the biggest selling point of the Napiers over other brands, here comes that rain, is that the Napiers are a fully enclosed system. They have a tub that's attached to the bottom of them. So keep that in mind as well. Hear that thunder? Yeah, baby. Welcome to Dirt Road Reset. Oh yeah. Where the weather's always and right as I say that, the rain lets up, right? And just like that, it's gone. This is Arizona weather for you. That's a prime example. We go from downpour to nothing. You guys want to be on the video?
Yes, sir.
All right, introduce yourselves.
My name's Liam. My name is Drew.
Welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
All right, so it is coming down pretty hard out there right now, and again, it's dry, absolutely dry. And I still got the vent windows open. One of the things I want to emphasize if you're looking into get one of these truck tents is you've got to get a step stool. Getting in and out of these is not fun. The important part though is we're dry. The storm is not as bad as we thought it was going to be. It's still a decent storm, and it's been going on now for a couple hours. But it's nice and warm in here. This was a fun trip. The other tip that I have is it's easy to get sucked into the advertising and the gimmicks of getting a truck bed mattress. They're expensive and they're cool, don't get me wrong, but the cot is the way to go, or two cots if there's more than one, if there's two of you sleeping in this tent, or even like if you have two small kids, you can make it work. Get the cot, spend the, it's under $65 for, I use the Coleman Comfort Smart Cot. You can get another cot if you want, but you put these cots in here, they go over the wheel wells, and the biggest advantage to the cots is it's a spring surface. I think I sleep better on these than I do an air mattress, but the biggest advantage to that is you got storage underneath your cot that you can still use. And I can sit, like I'm talking to you right now, sitting on my cot in the truck tent. You can't do that in the mattress. You could, but it would be a little awkward. And you've got all this space left over still. I mean, pardon the mess, but yeah. I am 5'11", and with the cot, I can actually stand up in here in the morning. Not completely, but if I can stand up and my head's tilted a little bit, but I don't think you could do that on an air mattress either. So don't spend the literally like hundreds of dollars on the truck bed mattresses. Get yourself a decent cot and you'll be much happier. I love going to sleep with the sound of rain hitting your tent, right? Like, that's like one of the coolest things about camping. We are reaching the end of our video, and in all of these videos, I want to emphasize the true reason why I do these. I don't make any money off of them, but I'm a firm believer in the therapeutic takeaways from camping. So if you or someone you know is suffering from any sort of mental crutch, PTSD, addiction, anxiety, depression, postpartum, anything, go outside, go camping, go hiking, do something, disconnect. We have no cell phone service here. It's a great reset. I'm glad you came along with me, and I hope that you too find your dirt road to reset. Please comment down below, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're subscribing, just do that extra 1 second step and hit that bell notification. We also have a new feature on the channel, the membership feature, where you can become a member. You can see behind the scenes. I hate saying that, actually. You can see video that I would normally edit out, and you can see some pretty funny stuff. If you're a member, you can get members access only videos. And yeah, we have a merchandise page. If you want a Dirt Road Reset sticker or a shirt or a mug or a thong underwear, it's literally on there. You can get that as well. Thanks again, guys. Take care. Hey guys, before we leave, I want you to check something out here that has been unequivocally the single best thing I have bought for truck camping in a really long time. It is an absolute game changer, and I can't believe I went so long without having one of these. It is, voila, the Bodega 12-volt portable RV refrigerator and freezer combo. This thing is really cool. Check it out. Okay, so what we have here is the 38 quart or 36 liter version of the Bodega 12-volt car refrigerator and portable freezer. Comes with a convenient control panel out here where you can control each department inside in terms of temperature, settings, and your power settings right here. You got a USB port on there. That's pretty cool. It's a hard, like a polymer plastic material. It's got wheels on this side here and the handles on the side. This one even expands right here. Inside, you've got a freezer compartment and a refrigerator department. Now, if you don't want to use both of those simultaneously, you can remove this middle partition right here and use it all as one freezer or all as one refrigerator. I use it for, half and half. Right now I'm using just the refrigerator part because I'm out of my ice stuff already. It plugs right into my cigarette lighter adapter, my 12-volt cigarette lighter auxiliary power that every car has nowadays. I've had this running for 3 days. No issues whatsoever. This thing is cool. Your temperature ranges are -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 volt, 24 volt DC, and 100 and 240 volt AC for anything. You can plug this into a wall too. So it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter as well as a home power outlet adapter. These work great with portable power stations such as the Jackery, the EcoFlow, all those things. They come with a system on here that you can adjust the power that it's pulling from those said units so that it won't drain your battery completely. This even shows you what the voltage is, the current voltage that it's pulling off my truck battery, which is 11.8 volts. That comes in really handy. The size of this 38 quart version here is 28.5 inches lengthwise here. I'm using my phone here so that I can get my notes here. 14.5 inches tall by 14 inches wide. And again, so that refrigerator portion here, put that up. The refrigerator portion here, if you're using the separate compartments, holds about 18 liters as well as 18 liters in this one. For a combined total, if you pull it out, you can have 36 liters or 38 quarts. And there's quite a bit of room inside there. You can keep all your beer, your soda, whatever on one side. It'll keep it cold all weekend. No more having to mess with ice No more having to mess with soggy food or having to go halfway through your camping trip to go get more ice. Again, these are touch controls right here, but check this out, guys. It even comes with its own Bluetooth app. So I can control this refrigerator from Bluetooth range. I control the left side temperatures, the right side temperatures, adjust them accordingly here, change to Celsius and Fahrenheit. I can do eco mode, anything. And here's that that power consumption thing on the bottom there that I was telling you about, where it'll automatically shut off at a certain, if it goes below a certain voltage. Guys, go into the links down below and check this thing out. Get yourself one. I have it in my Amazon links down below in the comments. This is the Bodega 38 quart portable refrigerator and freezer. I'm sure I've left something out, but there's just too many good things to list about these. These are awesome. The compressor in this is virtually silent. You can barely hear it running. It's got the intake over here. It's backed by a 3-year warranty through Bodega. This is their compressor that they have in here. Here's the thing. You could go out and buy yourself a Canyon cooler or a Yeti cooler and spend hundreds of dollars, upwards of $600 on those things. This right here, you can find these in various different sizes. This one here is half of that price. You can get these for as low as $200, guys. It makes no sense to go out and spend, $600-700 on a cooler that weighs 45 pounds that you still have to do the antiquated way of putting ice in it. This right here is the way to go. Check it out.